Struggling to remember your EverBank password every time you want to check your balance? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, convenience and security are king, and having to type in your username and password repeatedly can be a real pain. But what if there was a way to log into your EverBank mobile app with just a quick touch or glance? The good news is, there is. Biometric login, whether it's fingerprint ID for Android and some Apple devices, or Face ID for newer iPhones, offers a seamless and highly secure way to access your accounts. It turns your unique physical traits into your login key, which is why banks, including EverBank, offer this feature to enhance your security and simplify your life. This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to enable that feature in your EverBank app so you can ditch the password typing for good. Before we start, make sure you have two things. First, the latest version of the EverBank mobile app downloaded from the App Store or Google Play, and second, that you have a biometric method, like a fingerprint or Face ID, already set up and working on your actual phone or tablet. If you haven't done that yet, pause this video and set it up in your device's main settings menu first. Alright, got your biometrics set up on your device? Great. Let's jump into the EverBank app. Step 1. Log in manually. Open the EverBank mobile app and sign in using your standard user ID and password, just this one last time. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once you're logged in, look for the main menu, often represented by 3 horizontal lines, usually in the upper corner of the screen. Tap on it to open the full menu. Now, navigate to the Settings or Profile section. Step 3. Find Biometric Login. Within the Settings or Profile menu, you'll need to locate the option for biometric authentication. Look for labels like Fingerprint Login, Touch ID, Face ID, or simply Biometric Authentication. Tap on this option. Step 4. Enable the feature. You'll see a toggle switch next to the biometric option. Tap that switch to turn the feature on. The app may ask you to confirm your identity one last time. You might be prompted to enter your password again, or scan your fingerprint or face to register that biometric profile with the app. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete this final step. And that's it. You've successfully enabled biometric login. To test it out, simply log out of the app. The next time you open it, instead of seeing the username and password fields, you should see an icon for your fingerprint or face. Just use your fingerprint on the sensor or let your phone scan your face, and you'll be instantly logged in. Remember, using biometrics for your banking app is one of the quickest and most secure ways to protect your financial information. Enjoy the speed and simplicity. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.